Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Rayce Rollins, also known as the Agent Lady. And today we have back with us Rayce Rollins, professor of real estate and I know, now I'm making stuff up. I know you're a professor.
Right. So professor at Temple University, College of Media and Communication.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, that's like his title, but he does taxes, he does accounting, he does QuickBooks. He knows a lot about everything. So today he's going to tell us the update of tax code and how it affects real estate. And I don't know what this is, so he's going to have to explain. Rayce, take it away. Section 199A.
All right, Section 199A. Just for a little bit of context, as many of you know, America, we had one of the highest tax rates on corporations. And with the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, what happened was that tax rate went from about 36%, 35% on corporations, all the way down to 21%.
Okay.
Now, a lot of lobbyists came in and say, but what about the small guys? What about us? Do we need a tax break? And the answer is yes, and that is found in Section 199A. And basically what that means for qualified business owners, right? And we can talk a little bit about that.
Mm-hmm.
Real estate is included. You just get a 20% flat deduction on your passive rental income, for example. So let's say you brought in $50,000 of passive rental income. You can just take $10,000 and put it in your pocket like that never even happened. And you're just going to actually pay on the $40,000. So that is a huge tax break, one of the most generous in 30 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that applies to the small guys, the mom and pop, the pizza shops, I don't know, the Uber drivers.
So there's a lot of stipulations with it, but for the purpose of this audience, real estate owners, yes, this applies to you on your passive income. There are a ton of exclusions, so you want to sit down with your tax professional just to make sure. One of the big exclusions is it doesn't apply to accountants and professional service folks like me. But if you got some real estate, it definitely applies to you. So you want to ask your accountants about Section 199A.
Fair enough. Thank you for the clarification.
Yep.
And then we talk about standard deduction. What does this mean?
So a standard deduction basically is money that you can just wipe off of your earned income. For example, in this year, it's $12,000, which is almost double the amount in 2017 for individuals.
Okay.
So how does this apply to real estate?
Yes.
Right? So if I own a property, I can try to get my taxable income on that property lower by recording some additional expenses. One of the things that you can do is you can hire your kids to do managerial functions with your real estate. They can actually do some bookkeeping, do some administrative work. You can actually put them to actually do some repairs and things of that nature. And as long as you pay them under the standard deduction, what happens is you can take that deduction on your taxes and they don't have to pay any taxes on that amount on their taxes because it just gets wiped right out.
So the standard deduction now is raised to $12,000.
$12,000.
So if you paid your kid to do the bookkeeping or whatever they were going to do, mow the lawn, and it was $11,999.
Mm-hmm.
The kid will not have to pay taxes on that money.
Precisely.
And then you have a write-off as well.
Exactly. That's exactly how it is because it's under the standard deduction. So when that kid goes to fill out his 1040, what happens is he gets that money, but it's less than the standard deduction. So the income tax burden is wiped out on that money.
Wow.
Yes.
And that, guys, is how the new tax code affects real estate.
Yes, it is.
Thank you for your clarification.
100%. But definitely sit down with your CPAs and your tax people to just work out all the nuances with this because you know how taxes can be. There are a lot of different things in the code.
If then equals then that and so on and so forth.
Exactly.
You like my equation?
Yeah, all those worksheets.
Right, exactly. Well, thanks for coming. And how do people find you?
You can reach me at Rayce, that's RAYCE, at financialgps.com.
Awesome. Thanks for coming.
Anytime.
And remember, guys, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady.